guys? CP the Tool Addict. Woo! We got the Snap-on Flyer. We're going to go over this bad boy. You guys have asked me to do this several times, and it's not exciting, but I do have some exciting stuff, and we're going to talk about some new tools. Stick around to the end, because we're going to get into some other things that are... I'll show you some pictures of some new stuff and talk about it. So let's bootleg into this. We got the Wrench Hard, Play Harder, Snap-on Inflatable Fishing Kayak giveaway deal, which basically results in if you spend the most, you win the prize. We got more of that. We've got a Snap-on Addy Wrench DAC chair. Addy Wrench DAC chair. That's kind of neat. I like the wrench design of it. Mac has one that they use at their tool fair that's got like a throwing of wrenches. Wrench horseshoe game. I definitely would like to get that. The wrench gnome. I know a few people that could use that. Match the room up, purchase, and you'll help score. Grand prize. We've got some golf bags, a Snap-on tent. What do we got here? Golf bags, golf towel, golf accessories. The whole golf thing. You know, you can play some golf with Snap-on. You see something you need, why wait? Get yourself a box. Looks like they're pushing their Snap-on credit. You know, always use credit responsibly. Remember, you are responsible for credit, not the dealer. So if you sign that paper, that means that you are consenting to using Snap-on credit. And a lot of people try to blame Snap-on for their credit problems, but the reality of it is your credit issues are your credit. You sign on the dotted line for a 21% interest. Don't go around YouTube complaining about how you got screwed. You didn't read the fine print. It's not the dealer's job to explain credit to you. If your dealer's bad, I understand, and he won't explain that to you. But the reality of it is you need to understand credit, okay? And I always say don't use credit unless you can absolutely afford it. Credit is not meant to be used in a sense where I'm broke, I'll just use credit to pay for it, okay, guys? That's the thing. Responsible use for credit is use credit when you can. Moving right along here, we always got your back. We have the Triton D10, which is an awesome scan tool. Super fast. Fastest scan tool on the market. Whatever anybody says, the Triton D10 is legit. Apollo D9, the Solus Legend. You know, always. We got some lights your way. We got some lights here. We've got the articulating precision light. We have the 300 lumen rechargeable folding light, 71 to 78. The articulating light for 103. We have the normal pocket lights, and these are rechargeable now, which they didn't used to be, for $49.50. The 1500 lumen clamping light for $151, and the fast charge 400 project light for $148. Hose clamp pliers. We have some hose clamp pliers. Now, plier clamp A's are actually rebranded by Lyle Tools. Lyle Tools designed those to them, and I can tell you that little black in there spins, and I don't like those that much. Plier B's are both rebranded too by Mayhew. The one difference is these do hold a lifetime warranty. I will say I've always used the B's as my hose clamp pliers, and Plier B's are $169. Plier A's are $156, by the way, and they are nice, and they do warranty them, so that is kind of a benefit to it where not many people do. I don't know if Mayhew actually warranties those. I know Lyle does not warranty that one. It will not warranty that for you, or Mayhew will not warranty it with just Snap-on. You have to send it to Snap-on. But I do like the Lyle one better, and it is a heck of a lot cheaper. Two-piece Radiator soft grip hose clamp pliers. These things are awesome. Definitely pick those up. I've showed these on my channel before. But you see the little divot in there. They're meant for the spring clamp ones. They're still around every once in a while, but worth the money, worth their weight in gold. They make your life easier. $43. Hell of a deal on your truck there now. 5.5 inch swivel jaw hose clamp pliers, Blue Point. What? Where's these ones at? Don't even show those on there. Swivel joint hose clamp pliers. Am I missing something? I don't see them. It says hose clamp. Must be different ones. For $29.70. Must be the same ones. I'm not sure. They got a bunch of different ones in there. Anyways, 186 for the pick set. Moving right along here. Here is the brand new Talon grip 6-inch versions. Now they do have the 8-inch versions, which I have, and I prefer the 8-inch versions. $49.25 for these. They are super awesome. They do grip onto a bolt. They have a good cutting shear to them. Obviously, the snap-on cushion grip. You know, and definitely worth getting. I just don't want to get the 6-inch because I have the 8-inch, and I don't really feel like I need the 6-inch. Solvent blowgun, $172.50. Skull auto darkening helmet at $571. The car scan code reader. Some earmuffs. We have the 25-foot tape measure for $47, which I absolutely love that. I have that. The electronic caliper, $282. We have an adjustable magnetic 500 lumen light for $85.75. And we have a tire sense TPS machine here. So let's move along to the next thing. Sorry, one more thing. We have the Epic boxes. This month's featured roll cab is loaded with features. The 68-inch Epic. Now, I prefer the all long door ones, but however you prefer it. I do like the Epics. They're nice. Built here in Iowa. 100% USA made. There is a heritage version that's made in China for Snap-on, and it's a 40 and a 56-inch, and these are they have rounded corners, so beware when you're buying the Snap-on box to not buy the China one if you're going to buy it. You know, that's just my recommendation. So let's move on to the next thing. All right, guys, so if you're looking to buy a box, this Mr. Big is $80,000. Hey! But we have a new tool, and that is this right here. This is a CT. I can't remember what the part number. We'll get into that in a second. But this is a power tool bundle. Comes with 3 extensions, a swivel, an adapter. Comes with 2 batteries, a brushless impact, or a ratchet, a brushless CT861, and a shallow, mid, deep, and half-inch drive, shallow and deep, and a 3/8 drive, shallow and deep socket set. This kit is kind of pricey, but if you see here, it's pretty complete. Comes in a blow molded case with the foam insert. Pretty sweet. The price tag may scare you, but it's been selling like hotcakes, and there's the price on it. $26.25 is retail on it. The kit number is a 262 CTS S0FG for the green. 62-piece set, 3/8 drive, cordless impact to go foam kit. And I'm not going to lie to you, these guys, some guys have been buying this, and it has been going like crazy from what I hear. My dealer, this is pictures from my dealer's truck, and there's the impacts, which I'm not a big fan of the impacts. Personally, I'm not really too jazzed about this, but I already have all this stuff, and, you know, but and another thing is, I don't like these extensions because they're hog ring extensions. I don't like my impact extensions, hog rings. I like them with detents, but not many companies make those. But anyways, that's the brand new tool. We have a couple new tools in there, the pliers and this kit right here. Once again, your discretion to buy, $6,200. But it is a nice kit, and I'm pretty sure this is the brute ratchet, if I'm not mistaken. Maybe not. It might be just a regular ratchet. I stand corrected on that. I think it is the regular ratchet, but it is a CT861. So if you're looking to get a CT861, now you can get it in a full kit. In fact, my dealer has actually sold 19 of these already, to believe it or not. I couldn't believe it when he told me that, but nice kit. Not gonna knock that. So Snap-on quality as always. But anyways, guys, remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell. Remember, keep your hands dirty and your money clean. Thanks for watching.